Hello guys, it's Jennifer Dio from the Joy team at Keller Williams Elevate. I'm here at 7596 Willow Woods in North Olmsted because this is my newest listing. And I'm so excited about this amazing condo. We have 2 or 3 bedrooms for you. The loft could be used as a bedroom or maybe an office space. The master bedroom is on the first floor, so you have everything you need all on one level. Almost 2,000 square feet plus a sunroom. This home is amazing. So I hope you'll call me at 440-732-2232 and let's get a showing scheduled right away because I don't think this one's gonna last long.